Run! We can take it! We're your family! What are you doing?
Well, I'm avoiding the blast.
Shaking the whole house! Hold on to something!
Cow's house, early one breezy morning. Colleen was standing with a colouring book in one hand and a pack of crayons in the other. She was looking distinctly uncomfortable.